Hello guys, welcome to the final episode of 5 ways of making up to $100 online a day. But before we get started, welcome to Anything Finance, a YouTube channel dedicated to you and your finances. Here, we discuss anything related to making money online. If it's finance, we'll talk about it. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell to be notified whenever we post similar videos like this. Please like this video and share it with all your friends. And don't be shy to leave a comment for us in the comment section below, cause we'll like to know what you think. Now, let's get to the video. Perform online transcription work. Can you type? Do you focus on the little things? Are your listening abilities strong? If you possess all these abilities, you can begin working as a transcriptionist online and making money right away. Transcription may be done almost anytime, anywhere, because it entails listening to audio recordings and turning them into text. There are 3 subcategories: general, legal, and medical. However, because the first 2 categories frequently ask for prior expertise in these areas, it is advised that those just starting out in this line of employment concentrate on general transcription. Whether you are a skilled typist or not is irrelevant. You can succeed at online transcription as long as you can type and have good hearing. Once you've decided, you'll discover that many transcription companies, including TranscribeMe, Rev Transcription Company, Scribby, GoTranscript, and many others, provide this possibility. In the subsequent videos, we'll introduce you to several of these sites and demonstrate how to sign up and join the team. Depending on how much effort you put into your work, transcribing online can earn you hundreds or thousands of dollars. Become an online tutor. Consider working as an online tutor if you want to earn money online on your own schedule. Now, I know what you must be thinking. Is it not the same as selling courses online? No, it most certainly isn't. In this scenario, websites like Tutor.me or Cambly will pay you to instruct students. In other words, you get paid to assist students in subjects like English, math, etc. A website like Cambly, for instance, is undoubtedly where your talent is most likely needed if you are skilled in English language. You can earn up to $2,000 or more in a month tutoring online. Do copywriting gigs online. The extremely specialized field of copywriting doesn't even always require a formal education. Working as a freelance copywriter can be done anywhere in the globe, including from home, with ease. Additionally, you don't need much to get going. It's sufficient to start with just a laptop or phone with an internet connection. A multi-million-dollar industry, copywriting is constantly in demand for qualified copywriters. More and more companies are realizing the value of hiring a talented copywriter to support their marketing initiatives. A copywriter creates text for promotional materials including adverts on TV or social media platforms like Facebook, websites, sign-up forms, how-to guides, blog posts, emails, billboards. You can earn $50,000 to $1 million a year as a copywriter. Therefore, copywriting is unquestionably a very successful online business. Become a virtual assistant. The need for virtual assistants is growing practically daily as more and more business owners launch their ventures. A virtual assistant is a self-employed person who works from a remote location to provide services to a company. As a virtual assistant, you might provide services including writing, bookkeeping, social media management, and customer service. On platforms like Virtual Office Temps, Indeed, or Upwork, you can find appropriate gigs. Many virtual assistants have discovered ways to make money online by contacting brands and business owners and asking if they need assistance with operating their enterprises. You'll find your first clients sooner than you might anticipate using a combination of job posting applications and outreach. As a virtual assistant, you can make up to $56,000 or more annually. Do online surveys. Ever came across a website promising to give you money in exchange for your responses to questions about their goods? Or if you rank the links to the merchandise on their website? This is commonly referred to as an online survey. Although doing this won't make you rich, it will give you some extra money to help you get by. Additionally, there are other websites that give surveys every day. Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, Opinion Outpost, I Say, and others are a few examples of these websites. A fun method to boost your finances or pay for small costs is by taking online surveys. To pay for significant expenses, it is not a dependable source of income. Consider the other side businesses we've previously mentioned if you're seeking for a dependable way to augment your income. To understand more, you can also watch our earlier videos. And that's it for now, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like and share this video with anyone you know, friends, foes, or even frenemy. Please just share this video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.